Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a vlog. It's actually behind the scenes of a very special project. It's for Europa Art. It's a chain of stores for some luxury and beautiful shoes. I'm obsessed with shoes, so I love their stores. And the owner, she's amazing, Melina, she's my client. I've been doing her makeup. I'm sure you guys have seen her on my Instagram page. I will put a link to her Instagram somewhere here floating where Rosie is. And you guys can follow her. So today we're doing, like I said, behind the scenes video of the video shoot and photo shoot for Europa Art 2020 fall winter collection. So this is one of the models, Rosette, Juana. Rosette is a beautiful model. She's actually quite famous in South Africa. Everyone knows Rosette. Rosette is all over. She's on TV, she's on print, she's on social media. She's Rosette. And right now she's a gold member. Look at her.
And she did my face. It looks so beautiful. Look at all of this. I'm literally like close, open. Ooh.
Guys, this is Melina, the lady I mentioned earlier. Melina owns Europa Art, and she's the reason why we're doing this whole shoot. Sadiq is an icon. Yeah, the best hairstylist.
And so are
in
you,
South
my
Africa
darling.
and worldwide, I would say.
So isn't
Thank you.
Yeah. I swear, I've now been involved with you guys for many years. For many years.
For 12,
and not
13
once
years,
have we had a dull moment.
Always have a good time.
Hey guys, hey bitches!
That's Pearl, the mother Pearl. This is day 2 of Europa Art shoot, so let's get cracking, guys. I'm taking you around. We have a special guest, a superstar. I'm gonna do her makeup now. Stay tuned.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Hey, so nice to see you. I love you.
You guys look
amazing.
Thank you.
Came
to visit us. We're doing
of course.
Yeah?
I said today I'm gonna make a surprise for you.
Oh,
wow,
thank
what
you.
a surprise.
No, when it comes to style, East Africa, I don't think anyone swag more than you.
Ah,
Eh?
please.
I mean,
Thank you.
for a superstar.
I'll be like,
So check out the set.
yeah.
We're gonna see what's going on.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
Let's go, guys. Hey, Sadiq, where are you hiding? Catch this guy. Catch another icon. This guy does Naomi Campbell's hair, by the way.
Yep.
See?
And he's just traveling to
So
Nigeria
today
with Naomi
I-
Campbell.
today I
Don't
meet
look at
big
him like
people.
this. Humble.
Yeah,
Yeah,
today-
this guy. No, he's big. Oh, me? Where you go?
time. I'm confident your love will be my sight. Just one looking at you, open up my eyes. And I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my sight.
Big man thing, what do I say? Them can never love you my way. You go low, then you go high. You go near, then you go far. You go calling round and round and round and round, round and round, round and round. But you're falling down and down and down.